Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you guys are here. I want to take a quick second, shout out all the channel members, thank all of you. I appreciate you more than you know. And just a thank you and a bit of gratitude to anyone who's stopping in for the first or the 10th time, any in between, to check out my knife and EDC content, my disassembly videos. I really appreciate that you're here. If I could convince you, if you're so inclined, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it'll really help me out. So today I'm going to attempt to do a hopefully simple Skiff bearing upgrade on this Koenig Mini Arius. And since I've got blue hardware, I'm going to go very slow with it. I've got my double-sided bit there if I need it. Doesn't seem to be Loctited. See that size. See if they're the same. Yep. All right. Now we've got our captive pivot, but it's got a screw on both sides. No Loctite. Very nicely threaded. All right, guys. Moment of truth. Let's see what the inside of an Arius looks like and try not to break it. Interesting. Interesting little bearing. I don't know what that is. 1/16. It doesn't go through 3/64, so it's 1/16. And our pivot is 3/16. All right, so the good news is, in the scheme of what we're doing now, is we have the right size skiffs. So what I've got to determine, has this thing been flipped enough to warrant me even flipping these bearings? This I do not know. Let's see how easy it'd be to do. All right, so I think I'm not going to flip the bearings. I don't think they're going to need to be flipped. All right, so let's get everything back in. Get a little KPL heavy. That's what I was going to clean too. My blade. A nice little detent ramp. All right, so take a little KPL heavy, put a little glob on my ceramic detent, put a little glob in my detent hole, put just a little leading around that ramp. Now I'm going to take a KPL original. I'll bang some down around this pivot. I'm going to get out my skiffs. My 3/16 by 1/16 by 11 ball. Pop that down there. tolerances are just amazing on this knife. Have a KPL. Last Skiff. I'll get this one out of there. Might as well drop these in there. Just a little lube on that guy. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm pulling this stuff out of frame. I get to go in on a tangent trying to get it back together. And unfortunately, it can be stressful. However, if you don't let it get to you, if you take control of it, you can minimize that. I do not want to scratch my hardware. Take my pivot down. KPL out of the way. Heavy out of the way. Body screw. Body screw. Tight. Tight. Bang shut. Let's see how tight we got to get that. Dead nuts. So now the Arius is on Skiffs. Just needs a little breaking in. And I think that will be very tasty, guys. So there we go. An easy Skiff upgrade. I've got a link in the description for this particular set that these take. I'll also leave a link to the compatibility chart if you've got others that you're looking for skiffs for. You can find these two tools there, the finger bit and the cheat sheet. And then I'll leave a link to GetGoodSkrew where I got my driver, and an Amazon affiliate link to where I got my little cheap cleaning mat, soldering mat. So guys, that is our Koenig Arius upgrade, going from what looks like a PVC or Teflon bearing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rings, 10 balls to 11 balls. And you can just see the phosphorus bronze in there. I think it's just a huge win all the way around. Drop shut action. It's got to get to where it breaks on its own up there. I could do that with just the tiniest turn. However, still dead nuts. Still no lockup. Then it'll just fall. And I think that's the way we'll keep it. No side to side. Drops to my finger, drops all the way, drops to my finger, drops all the way. Koenig Mini Arius, guys, with some Rocket Glide rings from my brother Steve at Skiff Bearings. I hope you guys find these videos helpful. I've skiffed up a Microtech stitch. Took a chance and skiffed up my Max Ace Babylon. And I've got several other things to skiff up. So I'll do my best to film them, share them with you guys, and thank you as always for watching my crazy knife content. All I ask is please, kids, look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for that guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.